It's my birthday every day.
Hey.
What do we have here today?
We have a body for, is it this blue one?
I don't know. You got to open up and find out.
Oh, okay. Is that a mystery or threat?
A little bit of both. All right. Brand new body for the Slash 4x4. What's it going to be? It better be the right color. Oh, and they wrapped it. Oh, is it gonna be? Oh, I think it is. I think it is the right color.
Dun, dun,
What do you think? What do you think it's gonna be?
Well, I kind of see a little bit of it, so I'm gonna guess red. And oh, it's blue and orange!
Yeah.
Oh, well, there is a little bit of red. That's all I see.
A little bit of red. We'll have to paint over that. Yeah. New body here.
Yep, and then we're gonna go to Home Depot, get some things, and we're gonna make it super nice and durable so that when it flips, and when I flip it, because I'm kind of bad at that, it'll be all nice and cool.
All right, so we're gonna go to Home Depot, get everything we need for this, and we'll be back. But now what I'm gonna do is reinforce this body. So we went out to Home Depot, got some E6000 waterproof sealant and some good old cement board tape. We're gonna line this whole body and then put the sealant over it, and it's gonna make it way more strong than this flimsy. It's already pretty strong, but we're gonna see what it's like afterwards. So first, guys, we're gonna lay this whole body in this cement tape. Pushing it into every crevice here. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that for the rest of the truck, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, pretty much have completed it. I put all of the tape in, and now we have to get to the glue. I'm out here the next morning, and as you can see, it all dried up. And now it's pretty durable. It's not wanting to bend at all. Next thing we gotta do is put it on the truck and bash it a few times and try it out. And here's my other one that I completely fixed. Still flexible. Obviously only did it on the holes and not everything, but there's a bad rip right there, and it seems to be holding pretty well. Test it out though. So that is how you can reinforce your body. Just get some concrete tape and some E6000 sealant. You'll be on your way. Enjoy your day. The paddle tires make it pop. Blue and orange, I love it.